Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see Twitter analytics. First, log into your Twitter account on a desktop browser. Next, look for the More option in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on More, then select Creator Studio and Analytics from the drop-down list. This will take you directly to your analytics dashboard, where you can begin exploring your account's performance. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once on the dashboard, you'll see a summary of your account's performance. This includes total tweet impressions, profile visits, and new followers over a 28-day period. You can also view your top tweet, top mention, and top follower for the month. This overview provides a quick snapshot of your content's reach and how your audience is interacting with your profile. It's a great starting point for understanding your impact. To get more detailed insights, click on the Tweets tab. Here, you can see a timeline of all your tweets and their individual performance. Metrics include impressions, engagements, and engagement rate. You can sort by top tweets or filter by specific types, like replies or promoted content. This granular view helps you understand what resonates most with your audience, allowing you to refine your content strategy. For even deeper analysis, you can export your tweet data. Look for the Export Data button, usually found near the top right of the Tweets tab. This allows you to download a CSV file with all your metrics, perfect for custom reports. Remember to regularly review your analytics to understand trends and optimize your strategy. Also, for those looking to stay refreshed throughout the day, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to stay hydrated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.